Good morning students, class 8, and today we are going to do exercise 5.4. But before that we must understand the concept for solving exercise 5.4. Okay, 5.1 exercise we had done, 5.2 we had done, cut exercise 5.3. Okay, we will do exercise 5.1, 5.2 and 5.4. Okay, in exercise 5.4 it is based on the concept of divisibility rules. Okay, and we will study the divisibility rules of 4 numbers. Of whom? Of 2, 3, 9, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5 numbers, and 10. Okay, we will see one by one the divisibility rules. Okay, what is the use of divisibility rules? The use of divisibility rules is this, that we can tell that the given number is divisible. Example, by 2 without dividing it. By just seeing a number, by observing a number, we can tell that it is divisible by 2 or not. Example, so we will see first of all by 2. So if any number is having units, place, digit, either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then that number will be divisible by 2. Means if suppose any number is given to us, suppose we are having 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. This is a number, and if anyone asks you that this number is divisible by 2 or not, just check the unit place digit. At unit place 8 is coming, it means this number is divisible by 2. Okay, now see, this was by 2, second, by 3 and 9. See, 3 and 9 both are having the same divisibility rule. Rule is this, step 1, add all the digits of the number. Okay, second, divide it. If suppose it is asked for 3, do it by 3. It is asked for 9, do it by 9. Okay, this thing depends upon the question. So first of all we have to add all the digits, and then whatever sum came, okay, that must be divided by 3 or 9 according to the question. If suppose for an example, I can take an example. Suppose there is a number 345. Anyone asks you that this number is divisible by 3 or not. So what you will do, first of all you will add the digits. 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. And now we have to divide this 12. It is asked by 3, so divide it by 3. See, the remainder is coming 0, means this sum is divisible by 3. It means this whole number is also divisible by 3, and same concept we will apply with 9. Okay, if any number is asked that it is divisible by 9 or not, so first of all we will add all the digits, and whatever sum will come we will divide that sum by 9. If it is divisible, it means that number is also divisible by 9, and if it is not divisible, means remainder is not coming 0, in that case that number will not be divisible by 9. Is it clear? Okay. Now see, this was by 3. Now see by 5 and 10. This is first, this is second, by 5. See, if you will see the table of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, which number is coming at the unit place? Either 0 or 5. It means that if any numbers, units, place, digit is 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. Okay, suppose this is the number 785. Its units place digit is 5, it means it is divisible by 5. Okay, suppose here comes 0, then also this number is divisible by 5. Okay. Now see last rule by 10. If you will see the table of 10, then 10, 20, 30, 40 means at unit place 0 is coming. It means if any numbers unit place digit is 0, it means that number is divisible by 10, otherwise that number is not divisible by 10. Okay. Hopefully you had understood. Now what you have to do, okay, I will do one more question from exercise 5.4. Then you have to complete question 1, question 2, question 3 and question 4. Okay. Okay, student, now see on the board exercise 5.4, question number 1. It is asking which of the following numbers are divisible by 2. 4 options are given to us and it is asked that this or this, which number is divisible by 2. So you have to check just the unit place digit. In this it is 2, and I had told you that if any number is having 2 at unit place, then that number is divisible by 2. It means 132 is divisible by 2. 393, no. 0, yes. 7, no. Is it clear? So 132 and 560 are divisible by 2. Now see on the board question number 2. Question 2 is saying which of the numbers are divisible both by 3 and 9. Means this is given 81. It is asked which number is divisible by 3 and 9 both. Means by 3 also and by 9 also. See, first of all add them. 8 plus 1, 9. Now divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now we have to check by 9 also. By 9. 9 1 9. So answer is yes. Because this number is divisible by 3 also and 9 also. Is it clear? In the same way, okay, I will do one more part. See part B. Number is 243. 243. 2 plus 4 plus 3. How much? 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9 again. In the same way, it means it is divisible by 3 and 9 both. See one more part. 345. If you will see 345, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. Okay. It is part C. 3 plus 4 plus 5. It is 12. If I will check it by 3, then it is divisible by 3. But this number is not divisible by 9. Why? Because remainder is left. So its answer will be no. Is it clear? In this way you have to do question number 2. Now just see in your books question number 3. In question 3, which of the following numbers are divisible by 5? Okay. Okay. So we have to tell that which number is divisible by 2. It means we have to check the unit place digit. If it is 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5, otherwise it is not divisible. See, here is 1, here is 6, here is 0, here is 3. It means it is not divisible. It is also, answer will be no. Here, yes, because its unit place digit is 0. Here, no. Is it clear? And question number 4 is saying which of the following numbers are divisible by 10. I have told you the rule of divisibility of 10, that we have to check the unit place digit. If it is 0, then that number is divisible by 10, otherwise that number is not divisible by 10. So just see the options. 205, 510. Okay. Check the unit place digit. It is 2, so answer will be no. Here 0, yes, this number is divisible by 10. Here 0, yes, this number is divisible by 10. 5, no, because a number is divisible by 10 only and only if its unit place digit is 0. Okay, so you have to complete exercise 5.4, question number 1, question 2, question 3 and question 4. Also write the concept in your fair copies. Okay. So complete this chapter now in a proper way in your fair copies, and in our next video we will start our next chapter. Its name is algebraic expression and identities. Okay. Thank you very much.